Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how we do an adjustment here at Life Wellness Center using advanced biostructural correction. Advanced biostructural correction is unique in several ways. It's very accurate at finding where the misalignment is. It's unique in the way it corrects the posture. And it's a very stable, long-lasting correction. And how it works is it uses the body's balancing system to tell me what's out of balance. And our lovely patient Rachel here is going to be our patient today. And how I use the body's balancing system is this way. There's a little groove that's right under the head, just a little groove in the musculature there under the head. That's going to act like a level. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently push on each vertebra down the back. And that creates a little motion in the body which triggers the balancing system to tell me what's out of place or out of balance. So if I come across a misalignment, which is an imbalance, the body will actually collapse down. This groove will actually collapse down just a little bit on one side. That tells me where the mechanical problem is. And then we just gently push it into place. Okay, in this very unique way. How we put things into place is, again, pushing the vertebra in a backwards direction, which creates a more upright body. Therefore, the muscles don't have to work as hard to hold your body up, and the back starts feeling better. So what we're going to do, we're going to do an adjustment now. So here we go. We go into the groove right there. Right now it's nice and level. You can see the little lines on my thumb as the level indicator. So what we want to do, we're going to have you look down first, Rachel, and then look back to straight, and we'll check the groove and see if it's level. And you can see how this left thumb is dropped down below the right thumb. So that tells us she has a flexion misalignment in her neck, and we need to correct that and to move forwards down the spine all the way down to the knees even. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to do that adjustment now. Okay, so now we're going to do a special stretch that helps release the pressure in her neck. This is not hard and fast, but it's just nice and slow. It'll create some tension right here, and that's all it does. So let's bring your body into flexion. So we're going to just curl up the body, and we tighten up the neck a little bit, and then we lean the head just to the side like this and just stretch. Nice. She's very flexible, so we just go real gentle, and that's how it works. And that's called a flexion adjustment, and that releases a lot of tension there. Okay, you did good. Come on up. Okay, we just did the flexion adjustment, and so we're going to recheck that. So look down, Rachel, and back to straight ahead, and we'll check the groove, see if it's level. Now it's nice and even. Now we're going to look up, and then back to level, checking that side, looking to the right, back to straight ahead, check that, good, checking to the left, back to straight ahead. Okay, now that showed up there too, and it dropped low. You can maybe be able to see there, and I'll show you. So now we need to do a lateral or a side neck adjustment to help release that pressure. Actually, there's scar tissue down around inside the spinal cord, around the spinal cord, and it kind of glues the spinal cord to the bones, and it creates this tension, and that's what we're finding here. Releasing actually the spinal cord and brainstem from scar tissue, fibrous adhesions that's accumulated on the spine because it's been out of balance so long. Okay, now we're going to do what we call the lateral or the side adjustment of the neck. So it's really simple. We're just going to hold the head and just turn the head in a little bend like that and produce a stretch here on the left-hand side. So very specific, nothing random. We're going to turn and just stretch, just like that. And that's releasing the pressure, and we're done. You good? Yeah, see, still smiling. Okay, now we've basically finished with the neck. We're going to work our way down the spine. We're going to check every individual vertebra for alignment and balance, all the way to the tailbone, the hips, and the knees. So this is how it looks. We're going to look straight ahead. Just keep looking straight ahead. I'm just going to gently touch and check, push. And we can do this very quickly. The body reacts very quickly to an imbalance. If we come across anything, like if we get that one right there, that one shows up as an imbalance. So we just simply put Rachel back up against the wall, and we give her a big hug, a little chiropractic hug, and just drop your head down and put a little pressure, and just like that. Put a little pressure right into the spine and shift the vertebra backwards, which is going to create a more upright body. And so we're going to work our way down. Always check my work to make sure we cleared it. Just just like that. Just a very gentle little push. We do it gently because it isolates that level of the spine. If I do a big push, that's not going to work. But we have to be very specific. Okay, if we find anything right there, see, that throws it off again, and it's right there lower in the back. Now this is one that we might work on the table or we work against the wall. Let's just do the wall, back against that wall, and left arm on top. Okay, now just bend down really far, round and out, and I'm just going to swing under, put a little pressure. Okay, let's have you face that way. So recheck it. See, she's looking a little bit more upright already. Yeah, we still have some problems in the lower back here. So that all that is throwing it off balance there. So now what we're going to do, in order to fix the lower back, we're just going to use the table and roll back over my hand. It's really easy. Okay, now we're going to do the lower back adjustment. It's really simple. We found a misalignment right here. I'm going to place my hand right above it. We're going to curl the Rachel up, and we're just going to roll right over top of my hand. Simple as that. And that shifted right back in place. So now